Hello, this presentation will show you how to register your child online for the new school year. This is for returning students to Central School. To log into the parent portal, click on the web link you see here. Enter your username. Your username is your full email and your password was one that you set last year. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password, enter your email, and you will receive a reset password email. You do not need a code because returning students already have an account. Once you log in, you will see this screen and your child. To change the language settings, click on the upper right-hand corner. If you have several children, click on the drop-down menu by their picture to choose a child. Then click on the green dot to access the forms for this child. Once you click on the green dot, you will see all the forms that you will need to fill out for this child. Click on the words Fill Out to open the forms. Please fill out the group of forms for each child. Don't worry if you forget something. You can always reopen the form here. This is what we see when a form is open. Please fill out every area with a red dot. Then click on the green button below that says Save and Next to continue. Please review your answers and make sure to add 3 or more emergency contacts for each of your children when prompted. These are people that will be allowed to pick up your student in case of an emergency. Once you are done, please click I'm finished and submit now. What can I see in the parent portal? You will be able to see your child's classroom and schedule, grades, assessment scores, and attendance. To set up notifications, click on Account, choose a notification, and then click Submit. Reminder, your username is your complete email. Your password is one that you created. If you do not remember your password, click on Forgot Password. Congratulations! You are now ready to register your child for the new school year. Please email Norma Flores for assistance at naflores570@bpusd.net. Thank you and see you soon!